Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne guys, generation 2002 until year 2010. We will show you guys where to find the fuse for your ignition coils. You actually have two fuses. It doesn't matter if you have a V8 or V6 engine, the procedure is exactly the same, it is the same fuses. One fuse guys controls ignition coil 1, 2 and 3 on the 6-cylinder engine, and on the V8 it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the other fuse is for ignition coils 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 respectively. So we guys have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe. Our goal is to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. The mechanical videos guys, okay, this channel is just for electrical videos. Mechanical videos could be found on our main channels, so please check them out. Thank you for watching. Now, your ignition coils guys, this is a V8 but the V6 pretty much the same procedure. Okay, the ignition coils are under here, so that's where the coils will be. Okay, you can see under those caps here, and same thing on this side. What we will need to do now, okay, let me show you now. This cover right here, okay, this cover will need to be removed by turning these things clockwise, okay, like that, counterclockwise, excuse me. Pull it up, okay, and once you remove that thing guys, you're going to notice that, okay, you have a fuse box. Okay, this is your fuse box, but how you open, you have three things, 1, 2 and 1 hidden right here that you need to turn about 90 degrees. Okay, like that. Perfect. And after that you just go ahead and open it. Okay, like that. Now guys, which are the fuses that we need to check? Okay, fuse number 7 and 8 are the ones for the ignition coils. 7, if you have a 6-cylinder engine, is for ignition coil 1, 2 and 3. If you have 8-cylinder engine, is for ignition coil 1, 2, 3 and 4. And fuse number 8 is for 6-cylinder engine, ignition coil 4, 5 and 6, and for 8-cylinder it will be 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so these are the fuses right here, these two fuses, so check those out. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.